Yes, friends, now we can also improve our modeling technique by looking at the image. And the first thing to consider in modeling technique is that when you look at a model, you need to ask yourself, which commands can I use to model this? Look now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 library models. They all look similar. Here we have a slightly different model. Here, we will also see this with the subcommand over there. Now look, this model, and this model, friends, they all look the same anyway. You need to think about what I can use to model this. Which model can I use to model it? What did we just see? We saw the rectangle tool. Look, friends, look. One rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. They're all actually the same. Look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. These are short rectangles. These are long rectangles. So it becomes a rectangle. Now, let's take a look from here. Now look, friends. Let's take a look at it very simply. Now let's draw this as well. The last thing we did, operation. Look, I'm looking like this. I looked from above, or I'm adjusting my settings for drawing from any point. I'm rotating the screen with the mouse using the orbit tool, friends. Normally, look, I'm going to draw without scale right now. Don't worry about it being to scale, because right now we are in the learning phase, and we need to practice a lot to learn the program. And we're not getting hung up on measurements, friends. Look, I've drawn it now. What happened? These are the side panels. I drew the side parts, as you can see, friends. I drew one. Now, look, we will see multiple commands here. I'm selecting all of this, friends. What's the purpose of selecting all of them? I need to make a copy of one more on the side. Look, friends, I took it with the move command. I pressed Ctrl. The reason I'm pressing Ctrl, friends, is to duplicate one more of this. Look, the top of the move tool. If there's a plus sign on top, it means I can copy from it. Look, I'm doing it again. I'm selecting all of them. Clicking 3 times on an object means that it will recognize that object. It means everything can be selected. At the same time, I can also select from here. It means that everything can be selected. At the same time, I can also select from here. From right to left, I selected it. I selected this tool. I pressed Control. The plus sign appeared. No matter where I grab it from, it will copy now. Look. I selected it. I placed it on the side, friends. I placed one here too. Look. So what were the remaining parts? It's always the same, guys. Look. I came 1. I came 2. I came 3. Of course I can copy, but I'm doing this. I'm continuing with this process to improve my modeling skills, guys. I came 4. I came from over there. I'll randomly combine 5. Look, guys, I selected these surfaces. I'm pressing the delete key on the keyboard. I deleted, and deleted. Look what happened. If you see it from the other side, I've created the model in its raw form, with push-pull these. I'm giving an extension, guys. Look, I'm adding thickness. I brought this explanation. I'm double-clicking. I click double. I say double. By clicking twice and creating the library, my friends, as you can see, this simple method will increase my modeling skills, but of course it has some technical shortcomings. Why didn't I use the part we call group and complete? First, we didn't use it. Second, we didn't use it. We didn't use the copying parts. That's the second reason, as they organize drawings. This is the first part. In the second part, I'll show you how to create the model in a more organized and systematic way, important as it was random. We drafted our modeling skills. We easily created panels with the rectangle tool. Next, we model based on the image. I will import and model from an image. Which model will I extract? We saw our modeling skills and roughly created a draft because we saw how easily we could create the side panels and other panels using the rectangle tool. In our second part, we will continue by making the model based on this. Image, guys. This image has a nice feature. I will import an image and create the model based on it. Which one of these models will I extract exactly?